Assistant Director Drusilla Bayate, Deputy Director General Dr. Bruce Tolentino, Dr. Cornelia Nawen, Dr. Daniel Pauli, Dr. Rainer Froze, Dr. Maria Lourdes Palomares, FishBase Consortium members represented by Geomar Helmholtz Center for Ocean Research, Germany, Global Fisheries Center of the University of British Columbia, Swedish Museum of Natural History, Sweden, World Fish Malaysia, Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, Greece, Chinese Academy of Fishery Sciences, China, Universidades Federal de Sergipe, Brazil, distinguished development partners and guests from Philippine government agencies, Philippine non-governmental organizations, faculty and students of from Philippine state universities and colleges, faculty and students from foreign universities, my colleagues and associates, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 13th FishBase Symposium in Los Baños, Laguna, Philippines. The FishBase Symposium is an annual event of the FishBase Consortium and is conducted in tandem with its annual meeting, the venue rotating in different member countries. This year, however, the FishBase Consortium deviated from the norm of venue assignment. It chose the venue of the FishBase Symposium not in the country of a member institution, but in the country of the organization who institutionally handles FishBase. That agency is the FishBase Information and Research Group, or what we call FIN. FIN is a Philippine NGO established in September 2003 with members of the FishBase Consortium as its scientific advisors. To date, FIN has been involved and completed around 100 projects on fisheries, aquatic information systems, and biodiversity conservation. Thus, FIN is privileged to have been chosen as host of the FishBase Symposium this 2015. It is indeed a timely occasion because FIN is also celebrating the 25th year of FishBase and 10th year of SealifeBase this year as global biodiversity information systems on fin fishes and other non-fin marine aquatic organisms respectively. The FishBase Symposium is the main event of these 4-day celebratory activities for FishBase and SealifeBase anniversaries, which includes a fin poster exhibit, FishBase and SealifeBase hands-on orientations for students and researchers, a book-giving activity to local libraries, art competition, and a fisheries data workshop. The theme for this year's symposium is FishBase and SealifeBase for teaching and research in aquatic science. The symposium aims to promote a deeper understanding of why and how FishBase and SealifeBase can be used for teaching and research in the Philippines. There will be 15 paper presentations. 6 papers will be delivered by the FishBase Consortium members who have been using FishBase and SealifeBase to supplement teaching and research activities. The rest of the papers will come from university professors and research organizations who will talk about their experiences as users of FishBase and SealifeBase in their respective fields. We are greatly privileged to have the support of BFAR Director Attorney Asis Perez, whose welcome remarks will be given by Assistant Director for Technical Services and concurrent Executive Director of the National Fisheries Development and Research Institute, Ms. Drusilla Bayete. Also doing a welcome remark is IRIS Deputy Director General for Communication and Partnership, Dr. Bruce Tolentino. IRI is home to FIN, where we have comfortably been undertaking our aquatic science work. Our inspirational speaker is Dr. Cornelia Nawen, President of Mundus Maris, Belgium. We endearly call her Mother of FishBase, as she has been instrumental from the very start, 25 years ago, to secure funds for the development of FishBase. Having announced the Mother of FishBase, we also have a Father of FishBase. Not one, but 2 fathers. Dr. Daniel Pauli, and Dr. Rainer Froese. They are the architects of FishBase who conceived and created it in 1919. Dr. Pauli will be the keynote speaker of this FishBase symposium. His keynote paper is entitled FishBase, An Improbable Success and What It Inspired. Dr. Rainer Froese is the coordinator of the FishBase Consortium. Finn is delighted to host this 13th FishBase Symposium as a tribute to the dedication of its local Filipino staff with academic disciplines in marine sciences, aquatic biology, and information technology. It is also a tribute to our local and foreign partners and donors who have supported and worked with us through the years to enable us to provide public, free access, comprehensive information systems with key data on all aquatic organisms of the world. For the realization of this FishBase Symposium and our celebratory activities, I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge and thank our 16 institutional sponsors: the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources of the Department of Agriculture, Philippine Statistics Authority, Bureau of Agricultural Research of the Department of Agriculture, Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Research and Development of the Department of Science and Technology, Mundus Maris, Belgium, World Fish, Philippine Office, Southeast Asian Regional Center for Graduate Studies and Research in Agriculture, ASEAN Center for Biodiversity, International Rice Research Institute, Oceana Philippines, Biodiversity Management Bureau of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Asian Development Bank, Worldwide Fund for Nature Philippines, Conservation International Foundation of the Philippines Incorporated, Marine Wildlife Watch of the Philippines, and Manila Ocean Park. There are about 175 participants from 45 institutions who had pre-registered for this 13th FishBase Symposium. We hope that this gathering will promote and advance the active interest in using FishBase and SealifeBase among the educational and research institutions engaged in aquatic science worldwide. So on behalf of Finn and the FishBase Consortium, I warmly welcome all of you again for a productive and meaningful symposium. I also thank you all for your presence and in joining us in our various celebratory activities. A pleasant good morning to all.